よし、セップの霊たちについたぞ。この刀を手に妖怪どもを一掃だ。
ちょっと待って、この場所ってすごく悲しい雰囲気があるような。
何を怯えている。弱気なやつになり下がるな。
すると岩場から女性の悲鳴のような声が聞こえてきました。
なんだ、あの声は。この女性。
見ての通り、この峡谷は妖怪の巣窟だ。さあ、敵を探し出し、一気に退治だ。
すると突然女性の幻影が現れ、2人を襲います。
髪を切ってる。でも、なんか違う。
なんだと、ここで妖怪が女装でもしているとでも言うのか。
待って、それは妖怪が利用する女性の悲しみの象徴だよ。この場所では昔に女性たちが髪を切って自炊してきたんだ。妖怪はその悲しみを利用するんだ。
そんなことを言ってる場合じゃない。妖怪を退治してこの場所を浄化するんだ。
一方、女性の幻影は消え、悲しみに打ちひしがれた妖怪たちは悪意を放ちながらも花束を手に祈りを捧げ始めました。
この場所を浄化するってなんだか違う気がするよね。
まあ、それはそうだろう。でも、お前もわかるだろう。この場所で生きていくためには強く勇敢でなければならない。
そうだな。でもね、
2人はその後、この場所が浄化されることを祈りながら静かに帰路に着きました。
The waterfalls at Sesame were known as a place where grudges and vengeful feelings linger. One day a traveler passing through the mountains stopped at a shrine near the waterfalls to offer a prayer.
Suddenly a woman appeared with black hair and spoke to him. You seem to be someone who has also discarded something important. We all have different reasons for being here. I was betrayed by someone I loved and was overwhelmed with sorrow. And like you, I was taken advantage of by a yokai in this place when I offered a prayer to the gods. Then the traveler began to hear sad screams from deep within the waterfalls. Yokai appeared and surrounded the traveler, shaken with fear. He sought refuge within the shrine and prayed for the help of the gods. A divine light suddenly shone into the shrine and the yokai disappeared, leaving a peaceful silence behind. When the traveler consulted with locals who knew about the waterfalls, they told him that sad women cut their hair themselves and said to come to Sesame's waterfalls. And those yokai take advantage of them. It is a quiet and sacred place, but not necessarily safe.
The traveler realized that seeking revenge and evil power in his own mind could lead to yokai. Using the sadness and despair that lingered at the waterfalls, he decided to calm his mind, and prayers offered at the waterfalls were made for the peace of his own soul and for peace in the world.